Klyuchevskaya volcano is the tallest stratovolcano in the Eurasia. There is nothing taller than that which is active. There is one taller, that is Damavand of Iran, 5,671 meters, but that is not active at the moment. So Klyuchevskaya is the record breaker, the tallest and gentlest in that sense, because it is very felsic. It's formed in the Kamchatka Peninsula. Subduction of the oceanic crust under the Eurasian plate create this, and this is the eruptions that we see all along the Kamchatka. Russian scientists monitor these volcanoes regularly, and we can see them here at the height of 3,000, near 4,000 meters, setting up their equipment, solar panels, and telecommunication devices, just to make sure that nothing is missed. And they are, in that sense, they're very good at what they do. Russian Academy of the Science and the geologists of that institute are very capable of doing this kind of harsh missions. This is in the springtime, as you can see. In the autumn and winter, the weather is treacherous. That makes them the most suitable people, actually, to conduct pioneering surveys of the places like planet Mars. They are fit for this, purpose, and they can survive. That's the most important. They are survivalists. Listen to what happened in this eruption. See the actual volcanic bombs and the lapilli and the pyroclastics are falling on the head of the volcanologists. I cannot stop watching this video. It's so fascinating. They survived it. And this is the kind of people we need to send to the Mars. They can react to any situation and survive.